My last area of focus with my first year data scientists is also how to collaborate with a team of data scientists. This has a couple of different components to it. The first part is learning how to do a proper model search with your team. In academia, the models are essentially predetermined for you. You really don't have to conduct a model search. In fact, a lot of graduate courses will give you an entire course on something like regression methods. Well, that means that you don't never explored other models in that course because all you're doing is regression methods. So learning how to collaborate and have a proper champion model search will be a really important part to teach the first year data scientists. Along that process, you're also going to help them understand how to develop perspective and see things from other data scientists' point of views. Again, with predetermined models in classes, they've never had to debate and had to present why they think a particular model is the way to go to solve the problem. Being able to collaborate and kick ideas around with other data scientists is a very valuable skill that I try to develop in my first year data scientists.